Here is another dishcloth. I chained 33 to begin with, and I have a single crochet in the first one, the second one from the hook. So now I'm going to do a half double, and then a single, a half double, a single, a half double, a single, and I'm going to repeat that down this row. Okay, I'm here at the end, and I'm going to do a single and a half double, chain one, turn, and do the same pattern. Single, half double, single, half double. So continue with this pattern. I am using Lion Brand Ice Cream Cotton Blend. Sorry, it's upside down. There we go. In the color Blueberry. And this is how it should turn out. I'm just making them like big enough to fit on my hand. Oh, here it is. So approximately 7 by 6.5. So this is another dishcloth pattern for the series, and I'm going to work on this one some, and I will come back before I get like to the end to show you some more. I'll show you some more in the middle and then in the end. Thanks. All right, so I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows in, and it's only this wide so far. So single, half, single, half, single, half, single, half, single, half, single, half. All right, so I have added more. I am this big now. This marker is where it was when I counted the 9. So it looks like I have like 7 to 9 more to go. So let's get back to it. That's a half, single, half, single, half, chain 1, turn, single, half, single every other one, half every other one, okay, I'm going to keep going. All right, so this should be the last row. Looks like it's measuring up to the other one. So I am still doing the single crochet and the half double crochet. It's textured. Kind of hard to see the texture. Okay, so I did the slip knot. I'm pulling it tight, leaving some extra on this one, maybe. I have a bent needle. Weaving the ends in, weaving the end in. And then snip. I will get that end in, but there's that.